I am currently at Chedijagan International Airport. I am traveling to Scotland. I'm extremely early because the first leg of the journey is actually a local flight. So I'm extremely early. I'm here like 2 hours before the flight. But the next leg of the journey is going to be an international flight. So I'm currently at the airport, chilling, me and my luggage. I'm so sleepy because I haven't slept well in the past couple days. You know how before you travel you're like trying to get stuff in order, so I haven't slept well at all. Anyways, I'm here waiting because I was told I have to board at gate 1 for the first part of the journey. Yeah, so I'm just waiting to board. It's been a while since I've caught up with you guys. I'm such a bad vlogger. A lot has happened since last time we caught up. I want to be a vlog girly, but like perfection or wanting perfection kind of stops me, which is very bad. But I hope that I can get over it. Let me show you my nails. I got a new nail tech. Actually, I did such a good job. I really like it. I usually like gravitate more towards nude nails, and she really got this for me. Anyways, I'm just going to chill at the airport. I don't know what I'm going to do for almost 2 hours. I've been watching Prison Break my first time. I might continue. I think I have some headphones in my old shit. I think I checked it. I'm not sure. I'll check if I have my headphones and then I'll watch some Prison Break maybe. So hopefully I'll keep you updated and we can, catch up. Bye.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out. I'm feeling lean.
We're about to start boarding. It's actually quite late because the flight was supposed to depart 12:40 and we are now boarding at 12:50. So let's go. I am currently at Barbados Airport transiting. I made a friend, someone I met on the flight who is going the same location as I am. We'll kind of split up in London, but we are coming from Guyana and she's also in healthcare like me. She's trying to get some food. This is Barbados Airport. We have like a little bit over an hour before we start boarding. And that's the update. Heading up to Scotland.
9 hours later.
So I'm currently at Heathrow Airport and my flight is delayed my journey has been extended by about 8 hours. I am waiting, as you can see. When I initially arrived, I could have made it, but they told me that I couldn't, so I had to go reschedule the flight, which was kind of annoying because it extended the journey by 8 hours, right? So I have to get 2 more planes to get to where I'm going instead of 1 plane, which was going to be a direct plane and arrive early in the morning. So I've been waiting. Instead of arriving 9 a.m, I have to arrive 4 p.m. But luckily, the rescheduling, I didn't have to pay for it, and also they gave me a food voucher where I was able to get some like I'm able to get some food while I wait, which is like also a good compensation, but it sucks nonetheless. And then going through immigration too was a bit of a hassle, so I'm just like bummed at this point. But just chilling and looking around till I have to board my next flight. I got a bacon sausage egg sandwich and it tastes really good. I also got a soda. Rhubarb lemonade soda.
Put me in your arms and your love me light. I'm on your way right now. I'm on your way right now.
After many trials and tribulations, we have finally made it. Thank God. This is the airplane behind me, airport all around. Yay. Hi guys, good morning. It's been like a day or two since I last checked in with you. I arrived in Edinburgh. I'm panting because I'm going on a morning run and pretty out of breath. So, yeah. But I want to run for like 30 minutes. Been running for a few minutes, taking a breather now, and then I'll get back to it. Just left the grocery store, picked up some bacon and flour because I want to make some pancakes this morning. Heading back now.
And this beat from not from YouTube.
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. Ain't tattooed, what I gotta do to be having you. I pay the avenue, top 5 city in a savage soul. In your ass fat, know you eat your rice and your cabbage too.
She a savage too, I'm a savage too, it's compatible. She was talking practice, had to cut her off, got her battable. I ain't shaking to the if you find my brother, I ain't mad at you.
And in the kitchen, we ain't even make it to the master room.
Met her in the trading switch, she sucking different and she tatted too.
First job.
That pussy be put away when you wear it, feel like it's grabbing you.
First job. I ain't mad at you, what I had to do, what I had to do. For sure.
She got an attitude when she said it, it's like she mad at you.
For sure.
She got an attitude when she said it, it's like she mad at you.
Don't let you like NBA when I thought a nigga was from Baton Rouge.
Made a sign of NDA, fuck when niggas say we don't follow rules.
Put that pussy on my face, get your pussy drained like some Mountain Dew.
In Miami, I'm a Lou, we found something new, had to find blue.
He ain't giving like dope. Like dope. Like dope. Like dope.
So guys, I thought I would just do a quick try on haul. It's a little time later. I had my breakfast, I did a little bit of work, sent some emails, and some of my stuff that I ordered from SHEIN just came through, and I thought I would just do a little bit of a try on haul. It's not a lot of stuff, just a few stuff. First off is this top. I thought this top is like really unique. Look at the back. I've been eyeing this top for a while. It's actually like a jumpsuit. If you look at the bottom there, it's a jumpsuit, and it's like, it's a really cute top. I think it's really unique, especially with the way it is. I really like the material. Before I try on something else, I got some slippers. Just like random. I've needed slippers like this for a while because I usually wear like just lounge slippers like this, and the last ones I had were dead and gone, so I just got these. I got them in a size 8. They smell very chemically. They smell very strong, like smell of chemicals. Let me charge my device. Zippers, they fit nice. No issues there. They are comfortable. They are my size, and they look really sturdy. So now that I see them in person, I'm not sure if I like this bit. It looks a little bulky, like this part right here, but they're actually quite cute. Ignore my ashy knees. I also got this jumpsuit. It's like a regular schmegular jumpsuit. Let's see what that looks like on. This is the jumpsuit. You can't really see the full length of it from here, but it's just like a regular jumpsuit. Also from SHEIN. I think it's really like it fits well. It's like long sleeve and gloved, and it looks good. It's snatching and it's warm, which is very important in this climate. So I like that about this. The material I picked, this there were different types. I picked this one that had like a ribbed sort of material to it. Okay, I like this. I like the top. I like this. I like the shoes. Like I said, I don't know, people sleep on SHEIN, but they have some really cool neat stuff over there. These shoes are really nice though. Like the make of the shoes look really good. Like, there's nothing that looks like it was just cheaply made or to disintegrate in 5 seconds. So that's good. I got another dress. There's this yellow dress. Now I don't know. They say yellow looks good on dark skin, but that's what made me buy this. Else I'd have bought it in a black, but I bought it in a yellow. I don't usually do yellow. I was feeling adventurous, so let's see. So this is the yellow dress that I got. It has like a little flowy thing at the bottom, and this is what the back looks like. All the girls in the comments section looked good in this dress, but for me, I don't know. So this is what this dress looks like. I mean, it's cute. I don't know if it suits me that well. I got it in yellow because all the girls in the comment section, they're looking real good in this yellow number, and now looking at it on me, I'm not too convinced it's really my color. But this is what the back looks like. I mean, it's cute, it's long, it's flowy. It's a cute little number. Also from SHEIN. So this is the last dress. Bam! Look at the back. It's like a low cut back. I'm wearing some tights, so this is what is showing there, but the back is like low cut and it's body hugging, and it has like this flower pattern, strap sleeves, long, and this is what it looks like from the front. It's also like long, so it's sort of, you know, if you want to wear heels, it won't be too awkward. And this is what this looks like. I think this is my favorite. Actually, I like the top. I think this is really cute too. So it was like 2 dresses, a jumpsuit, the top, and the sandals I showed you earlier. Just, you know, little SHEIN haul. I'm watching Prison Break currently. Just wanted to show you. Oh, I have one more thing. Alright, so that's everything I got in the haul. Well, except this last thing is just a top, like nothing too special, just a simple kind of white tee, and that is the end of the haul. 2 dresses, a jumpsuit, 2 tops, and then the sandals. So that's my SHEIN haul. I'm going to go back to what I was doing which is watching Prison Break. It just came up on Netflix. They just added it to Netflix. So me and like every other person who has never watched it before has just been hooked. I'm on season 3. It's like it's like, you know, grabbing you by the neck because of the suspense. So I'm just gonna go back to doing that, and I will check in with you later, probably when I'm making dinner or some food. So bye. So this is dinner. On the menu we have teriyaki chicken, we have some rice with some sauce, and orange juice. So I'm gonna enjoy my dinner and continue watching my show.
Because I love and I love and I love